Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the key influencers visual for PowerBi. There's a lot of documentation, so I'm going to walk through some of the highlights and show you guys how it works. So here I'm opening up a new PowerBi file with dummy data. The dummy data set is the customer feedback data set from Microsoft. They provided. And to create the key influencers visual, all you have to do is click on your key influencers visual in the visualizations panel. If you don't have this, it means that you're probably on an earlier version of PowerBi. Some of the earlier versions you can actually turn it on as a preview feature, but if you're up to date, it should be there. And then you pick what you want to analyze. So in this case, we're going to look at, to have the key influencers visual work, you need to look at things that you want to explain the rating by, so analyze the rating by. So here I'll fast forward a bit. I am explaining the rating by country, region, role in an organization, subscription type, company size, or theme. So I'm using all of these factors to analyze the rating. So let's look at the visual. So over here you have the restating what you're doing. So when role in org is publisher, the likelihood of rating being high increases by 1.12 times. So what does that mean? So here, if you look at the chart on the right, you have different roles in an organization. You could be a publisher, you could be an administrator, or a consumer. So compared to the average of administrator and consumer, which is this line, if you're a publisher, you are 1.12 times more likely to have a high rating. You can also look at what influences a rating to be low. So if your role in an organization is a consumer, you're more likely to have a lower rating. So how does this all work? So they use a decision tree powered by ML.net, which is an open source machine learning project that Microsoft has invested a lot in. So basically you should be familiar with the concept of a decision tree from infographics, from blogs. I've seen a lot of this stuff on Facebook. So here's a really basic example. Is a person fit? So is their age under 30? Yes. Then you'd ask, do they eat a lot of pizzas? Yes. Then they're unfit. Or no, then they're fit. So really briefly how this fit, or how the decision tree works, is it switches around the orders of the questions. So instead of asking first, is the age under 30? It would ask, do you eat a lot of pizzas? And then, is the age under 30? And as you switch the questions around, you get different degrees of accuracy, and it finds the most accurate model. So, for example, another thing the algorithm could be doing is, instead of looking at is the age under 30, it might look, is the age under 25, or is the age under 90? Then almost everybody's age would be under 90, and that wouldn't tell you anything about, is the person fit or not? Or if you went too low, is the age under 10? Then most people doing the survey would be above 10, so it wouldn't tell you if they're fit or not. So how this machine learning works is it runs a bunch of variations of a decision tree based on the data you give it. And because of the power of our computers today, it can do so quickly and produce this beautiful key influencers visual. I'm excited about this because I think it brings a cool tool from data science and machine learning to the savvy PowerBi business user. I look forward to seeing what Microsoft is going to do with the technology. It's fun to use. I've already used it with clients, and I hope you guys have fun with it. Thank you.